Namaskar. Today I am going to prepare sticky date pudding. The ingredients required are seedless dates, castor sugar, baking powder, unsalted butter, whole egg, vanilla essence, refined flour, chocolate chips. Now let's start making the sticky date pudding. First, in a saucepan, pour the water and bring it to a boil. After the water boils, let's go to the next step. Now add the dates and baking soda to this boiled water and keep this aside for about 15 minutes. Let's go to the next step. Add the soft butter into a bowl and start creaming it with the addition of sugar slowly. Once the mixture has turned light and fluffy, add the egg slowly and mix it till it gets incorporated. Now next is the turn of vanilla essence. Add the vanilla essence into the mix. Once the dates have been soaked into the water along with baking soda, let's blend it into a puree. Once we have the dates being pureed, add it into the creamed mixture and mix it. Now sieve the dry ingredients, refined flour and baking powder into this mix. And fold it. Add the chocolate chips at the end. Now the sticky date pudding mix is ready. Let's go to the next step. Line a baking mold of your choice with fat and dust it with flour and pour the mixture into this. Tap the mold for even distribution of the mix and to clear the trapped air pockets. It's time to bake the sticky date pudding at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Let's check the sticky date pudding. Yes, it's taken a golden brown color and it's baked and ready. Once the sticky date pudding cools down a bit and releases the sides, it's time to demold it before serving it. Serve it with a drizzle of toffee sauce or butterscotch sauce and dust some icing sugar. The sticky